Let's jump right into it. Yesterday I was working on a couple of ideas. Afrodust RC workshop slash studio. We have officially reached 10,000 subscribers. I'm very happy. Appreciate the love, appreciate the like. I appreciate you guys watching. I know you're also passionate about something. Pursue that, enjoy it. Let it be the thing that gives you joy. So for me, this is the thing that I enjoy to do on my free time. I also make music, I also paint, I do illustrations. RC is a fun thing for me. So I can be able to sit here, build things, fix things. So we've got the place clean. I just wanted to show you around, but you can see what I've made and what I haven't made and the future projects. So to start with, I have a couple of the things that I use: the vise, the glue gun, the soldering materials. I have a bike from my son. I bought it for him. It can move, and then he broke the other side of the pedal. So I'm the one who gets all the stuff that's broken. We visited the Toyota museum. My son got one and I also got one, but he ended up opening his and playing with it. Every time he comes and says, "So when are you going to open yours? So why are you just keeping it in the box?" He will understand one day. My model builds from the Toyota to the, you call it the Subaru. We call it the Subaru in Kenya, but it's Subra or something like that. Both of them are plastic models. So you build them, but the wheels do go loose. They can spin. I enjoy building them because, you learn how to put the stickers, you learn how to glue them together, you learn how to assemble the parts, and it requires a little bit of TLC. So for everything to go in right. And then this, I have a video out. If you haven't watched it, go and watch it. I did the weathering, so it has that rustic look. So it looks like it was in the mud and someone salvaged it. And then the next one, we have the drones. The drones come here down. It's a truck, but it's actually a toolbox. So if you open it inside, I haven't even put the stickers. Yeah, but it's fun to have things like that. If you have RC cars, then you need stands. And then now you can fix the wheels, you can fix everything. You can test the speed, whether it's running. You can test the, it makes your work easier instead of having it on the ground and you have to lift it. And sometimes when you're trying to see whether the motor is running, you have your thing running away. These are the most important tools if you're building your RC cars. For the nuts and then for the screws, there's specific screws for RCs that are not male and female. So you need the hexagon. Some of the tools, scissors, clippers, brushes, and everything. This is the MN90 body that I want to work on. So for my next build, and the thing, it took me a long time to find this one because it has the Land Rover. And when you look at this, it doesn't have the Land Rover sign on it. I already have the parts. So I have the body, I have the chassis. I need to get the wheels. So you can charge it. It uses just a normal USB charger. If you're planning even to open a phone, you can always have that. So here we have the miscellaneous things. So the pulleys, anti-static wrist cables, we have spades added at the back of your Land Rover. So when you have an event, I can take it out and then it has you can carry it at the back and put it in your car. So you can add all your RC screws, the ESCs, and batteries and all that, and then you can go and fix it. You can go and fix them at the event. Eufy vacuum. Actually, it's very handy because I can vacuum if there's a bit of dust. This is a grasshopper, still stock. I haven't started working on it. We tested it, very silent, and it hasn't reached its maximum. So if I change, let's say, the shocks, and I start working on removing the plastic pieces, and then it's gonna be fire. Probably 60 kilometers per hour or even more. We have the Atlas 6x6, one of my favorite small crawlers. Runs very nicely, it's smooth, it operates well. I liked it from the start. This is the one that I built, the MN90, still doing good. Had to fix a couple of things, but it's beautiful. This is my MN90 original stock, so you can see it's plastic. It has all the plastic chassis, plastic haven't touched it. The only thing I added was the stickers. I still have this to add on the roof, but also it's a beauty. If if you just looking to race around the house, if there are small rocks, then you can go for this. Okay, a quick look at what I have in my shelf. Quick look. I'll just do like a 1 second zoom through. So screws. So I have that, I have batteries. Here is my stock. I have ESCs, I have brushless motors, I have remote controls, everything that I buy and I want to change to the car. I put them here so that I can remember, where are my motors, especially the bigger parts like the motors. I also have some extra batteries. I have cement. I have a drone frame. I have the weathering stuff. I have an extra fan. I also have another one that I usually put all my parts. So these are for upcoming projects. So you can guess what I'm about to build. Here I have some of the batteries, the servos, the drone motors, the RC shocks, the glues, and you have to separate them in a way that you can easily find them. The mini 4-wheel Tamiya. I have a truck, so I usually race them. These things are fire. You have another one here in the box still to build. So I've got my tires, rims, RC screws. This is one of the most important things to have. If you can arrange your screws properly and put them in a way that you can be able to access them, then it becomes easier for you to build. Controls from the drone to all the RC cars are there. Batteries are out, ready for charging. Some wheels, the big wheels, need to glue them. And then we have the small wheels, you know, different type of wheels, different type of rims. This one I removed it from a relay buggy. Charging stuff down here. I have the wrap and then more Arduino stuff down there. Yeah, so cars. Lipo safe bag, and then you can put all your batteries in there. Come to down under. Down under is where I store my RC cars that are built or racing or in the process of something. So we have the relay. It's a German buggy. I think they stopped doing it and now they've come up with new ones. The 313mm chassis. The Land Cruiser, I took out the wheels because I want to glue them and I think they go perfect with that. I glued them, it failed, so I'm still working on that. So once I've done the wheels, I'll be able to take it for a cruise. The body that I removed from the Traxxas that I want to put on this. So I'm swapping bodies. So the Traxxas, and then here we'll have that. So I think it looks also good. With most of these things, you never stop building. And then this is a hauler. I don't know how you call it, but it's a hauler. So I was able to build this over the weekend. And with this, you can carry 2.2 kgs. You can be able to haul your RC cars. You don't have to carry them around. Where I write my plans, what I'm going to do, create, like now we have Afrodust RC, film behind the scenes, testing the trucks for drifting, blah, blah, blah. Here, we have the cameras that I use to shoot with, desk of many things. Whatever I need, I can come and get it from here. The video for this is coming up this week, so look out for them. This is a 1/28 scale. We were able to race it. It was fun. It was crazy fun. Kenya Safari truck. So this is a Land Cruiser. I wonder what scale, 168 or something, but it reminds me of home. I'm from Kenya. So every time when I see it, I say, damn, I need to go for a safari. If you haven't gone for a safari, man, you need to do that. I have a space, a drawer of no return. And in there, all these are projects. So if you see them, I can show you just a snippet of what is to come. So if you see that, that's a scale of 164. So the world's tiniest RC. So I'll be doing things like that. So those ones are to come. If I open here, should I show you guys or not? Look at that. So you know, there's stuff to come. It's a secret. It's my secret drawer of miscellaneous things that are going to be coming soon. Thank you for the visit. Now it's time to go. And I will see you guys on the next episode.